To make good meatballs, you need a little fat in the mix. In this case here, we're going to use an 80-20 blend. And by the way, folks, you don't have to write these ingredients down. They will be displayed on your screen before this video ends. We're going to use a 5 Italian cheese mix from Kraft, and this is definitely one of the ingredients you don't want to leave out. Next, we will add some Italian-style breadcrumbs, some onions, and marinara sauce. Now, it's important to use Italian-style breadcrumbs because that's where most of the seasoning comes for this mix. Next, we will add some parsley, oregano, and eggs. And I'm curious, what is your favorite Italian restaurant? Let me know in the comments section. Next, we will add some kosher salt. Just a reminder, the complete recipe will be displayed on your screen coming up. The next ingredient is fennel, and fennel is essential if you want to make Italian-style meatballs. And fennel is sometimes hard to come by, so we'll include a link in the description below this video for those who want to get some from Amazon. Before you mix everything up, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a good idea to spray the pan with cooking spray to prevent the meatballs from sticking. The best way to ensure that you don't have any undercooked or overcooked meatballs is to make sure they are all the same size. I use an ice cream scoop and I dip it in olive oil to make sure that the meatball mixture doesn't stick. After you try this recipe and make these delicious Italian-style meatballs, come on back and let everyone know how they turned out in the comment section. Now you can put the meatballs in the oven, and when they are done cooking, you can let them simmer for about 20 minutes in your favorite marinara sauce. Well, there you go, folks. Now, if you want to help me grow the channel, please give this video a thumbs up and consider sharing it with a friend. Thanks for watching.